This is the M4 177 from Crosman. It's a 177 caliber variable pump air rifle that fires both BBs and pellets. Variable pump means you can pump it from 3 up to 10 times for power. This gun is great for backyard target shooting and small pest control. Now, its features include a telescoping stock. It's got a crossbolt safety. It has a dummy magazine that'll hold your pellet clip and your tool for adjusting the sights. It has Weaver style rails, and the sights are included, and the rear sight has a dual aperture for close and long range shooting. Now, there's a tan version available and a kit version that includes a carry handle with the integrated rear sight. So get your M4 177 today and take it outside.